Ever felt like you're navigating a vast digital labyrinth inside NetSuite, searching for that one elusive piece of information, like, say, where on earth your departments are hiding? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at the screen, clicking through menus, and wondering if NetSuite departments just decided to play a game of digital hide-and-seek. Think about it. Imagine you're a growing business. You've got sales teams, marketing teams, customer support, finance, all these vital cogs in your operational machine. You need to track their performance, allocate resources, and generate reports, all based on these departments. But if you can't even find them, how can you manage them? It's like trying to conduct an orchestra without knowing where the musicians are seated. And it's not just about finding them. It's about understanding why they matter. Departments in NetSuite aren't just organizational labels. They're critical for segmentation, reporting, and ultimately understanding the health of your business. They dictate how transactions are classified, how expenses are allocated, and how your financial picture is painted. Without a solid grasp of where they are and how they function, you're essentially flying blind. Let's take a common scenario. You've just launched a new marketing campaign. You need to track its performance, calculate the ROI, and compare it to other campaigns. But if your marketing department isn't properly set up, if its transactions aren't tagged correctly, you'll end up with a mess of data that's impossible to decipher. You'll be left guessing, making decisions based on incomplete information, and potentially missing out on valuable insights. Or consider a sales team. You need to understand which sales reps are performing best, which regions are generating the most revenue, and which product lines are selling the most. If your sales department isn't properly defined, you'll struggle to generate accurate sales reports, making it difficult to optimize your sales strategy. It's not just about the big picture either. Departments impact the day-to-day operations. When you're entering a purchase order, allocating expenses, or creating a customer record, the department field plays a crucial role. It ensures that transactions are categorized correctly, that costs are allocated accurately, and that your financial reports are reliable. So let's cut to the chase. Where exactly are these elusive departments hiding in NetSuite? First, the most direct route: navigate to Set Up Company Departments. Boom. There they are. You'll see a list of all the departments currently set up in your NetSuite account. You can view existing departments, edit them, or create new ones. But here's the thing. Just finding the list isn't enough. You need to understand how to manage them effectively. Let's dive into the details. When you click on a department, you'll be taken to its record. Here, you can define various parameters, including department name. This is the name that will appear in reports and transactions. Subsidiary. If you're using OneWorld, you can assign departments to specific subsidiaries. Location. You can associate departments with specific locations. Parent department. You can create hierarchical structures by assigning parent departments. This allows you to create roll-up reports and analyze data at different levels. Is inactive. You can deactivate departments that are no longer in use. External ID. If you're integrating NetSuite with other systems, you can use external IDs to map departments. Now let's talk about creating a new department. Click the New button on the Departments List page. You'll be presented with a form where you can enter the department details. Remember, consistency is key. Use clear and concise department names that accurately reflect the functions of your teams. Avoid using abbreviations or acronyms that may be confusing. When assigning departments to transactions, ensure that you're using the correct department. This will ensure that your reports are accurate and that your data is reliable. Here's a crucial point. Departments are not just about reporting. They're also about security. You can use departments to control access to data and functionality. For example, you can restrict access to certain reports or transactions based on department. Let's expand on that security aspect. NetSuite's role-based security combined with departments can be incredibly powerful. Imagine you want to restrict the finance team from seeing sales data. You can achieve this by creating roles with specific permissions and assigning those roles to users in the finance department. This ensures data privacy and security, preventing unauthorized access to sensitive information. Another common question: how do departments relate to classes and locations? Departments, classes, and locations are all segmentation tools in NetSuite. They allow you to categorize transactions and analyze data from different perspectives. Departments represent the functional areas of your business, such as sales, marketing, and finance. Classes represent the product lines, projects, or other categories that you want to track. Locations represent the physical locations of your business, such as warehouses, offices, or stores. You can use these segmentation tools in combination to create detailed reports and analyze data from multiple angles. For example, you can generate a report that shows sales by department, class, and location. Let's make this more tangible. Let's say you have a company that sells both software and hardware. You have a sales department, a marketing department, and a customer support department. You also have offices in New York and London. You can use departments to track the performance of each functional area, classes to track the sales of software and hardware, and locations to track the performance of your offices in New York and London. This allows you to generate detailed reports that show sales by department, class, and location, giving you a comprehensive view of your business performance. Now let's address a common pain point: reporting. How do you generate reports based on departments? NetSuite offers a variety of reporting tools that allow you to analyze data by department. You can use saved searches, financial reports, and custom reports to generate reports that meet your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.